we just got out to explore Porto and we are going to the historic center. From our Airbnb, we started walking southwest to the Iglesia Parroquial de Santo Ildefonso. Porto Historic Center was designated as a UNESCO World Heritage in 1996. Unlike many other European cities that were planned on a grid, Porto's city center grew organically over 1,000 years. We learned that the Church of Sant Ildefonso was completed in 1739 and it was built in a Baroque style. We continued walking southwest until we encountered Porto's Cathedral. Porto is a charming labyrinth of steep, narrow cobble streets and medieval houses that seem to lean on each other. This cathedral's construction began in the 12th century, and among other things, it was the place where Prince Henry the Navigator was baptized. Henry was the man who sponsored many of the voyages that began Europe's Age of Discovery. From here, we decided to cross the bridge, enjoy the views, and head towards Vila Nova de Gaia. Chloe wandering through the streets of Porto. At this point, we decided to cross the bridge through the lower part and come back through the upper part. We're now starting our return, but first we need to go up to be able to take the upper part of the bridge. Awesome hills. This is the Monasterio de Sant Agostino, a place which we want to come back at a later date. On the way back, we found a candy store for me, a guitar store, la Casa de la Guitarra. I didn't know the camera was on at this point, but it shot a good video. We're hungry and we're looking for some food. Let's see what Mission accomplished.